First, let's look at the subject, the company. When we have a subject like this, we know the blank needs a verb to complete a sentence. Next, look at the words last month. This is a time clue, which tells us the action already happened in the past. Time clues are very important in TOEIC. Words like yesterday, last year, in 2020, or last month almost always mean we should use past tense. Now let's look at the options. Option A, introduce, is the base form of the verb. This is usually used with to or after another helping verb, but here it is not correct because the sentence talks about the past. Option B, introduced, is the past tense of the verb. This matches perfectly with the clue last month. Option C, introducing, is the ing form. We use this form for ongoing actions or after certain verbs, but it cannot complete a sentence alone. Option D, introduction, is a noun. We cannot use a noun as a main verb here, so the correct answer is B, introduced. Remember, in TOEIC, spotting time clues is one of the easiest ways to decide the tense. Anytime you see words like last month or yesterday, check for past tense. This will save you a lot of time. Okay, for question 2. Here we need a preposition. Let's read the sentence carefully. It says that all employees must submit something before a certain time. This is talking about a deadline. In English, we use different prepositions for time, but the meaning changes depending on the context. Option A, at, is used for exact times, like at 3 p.m. It doesn't work here because Friday afternoon is not a specific hour. Option B, is used for days, like on Monday. This could make sense if we just wanted to say the day, but the sentence is about a deadline, so it's not correct. Option C, in, is not correct because we usually use in for years or a longer period of time, like in July or in 2020. Option D, by, is the best choice. By Friday afternoon means no later than Friday afternoon. This includes Friday afternoon and any time before. So the correct answer is D, by. If you see a sentence about deadline, by is almost always correct. Think of it as the latest time something can happen. On tells the day, at tells the exact hour or time, and by tells the deadline. So thanks for practicing with me today. Keep these tips in mind and your TOEIC Part 5 blanks will become much easier to solve. I'm Nelson. I'll see you next time. Bye.